In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can change your audio output settings on your Panasonic TV and what you can do if you have sound problems. Okay, for the first step, we click on menu like this and come to the quick menu, or we click on picture. It is basically the same, and then we click on sound. So then we come here, and here we can do the sound mode to user and go into the user settings and can can turn on the intelligent equalizer and something else, but which we really want is the output device. And here we can select our output device, our TV speaker, or something else like external speaker or other things. And which you also can do, which is really important, if nothing helps from the settings, you can turn on the dialogue enhancer if you want. But the other thing is you can reset your sound completely to do it to factory. You do a factory reset with your sound, and after that your sound should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It would help me a lot. And then see you next time.